me to know it ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Like I've said previously, I like to see it go straight, and I'm concerned because it's like I don't know how strong of a hold this gel is gonna give me. So I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have some pretty dope products to try out. One, I am trying a new line. It is the Quemet Biologics, and this is a botanical infused product line. I use their shampoo and their conditioner. So this conditioner is a deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, or a rinse out conditioner. So I did use it for one section as a deep conditioner. I wasn't so sure about it, so I did not continue. I ended up using my Yellow Organics deep conditioner instead on the majority of my hair except for one part, but once I rinsed it out I really liked it, so I said let me go ahead and give it another try as a leave-in. So right now I have that in as a leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it is very milky. I don't know if I like it yet. I had my shower cap on to keep the moisture in. In addition to that, I'm going to be using the Castor and Amla oil nourishing pomade. So today I am going to be trying out, as you probably know, this is my favorite gel. The Eco Styler olive oil is my favorite gel, and I always use this for my wash and goes pretty much always, and I always get really good results. So this time I actually am trying olive oil times 10. This is the super olive oil 10 times moisturizing gel. Shout out to Faye in the City for putting me on to this product. I am going to do a comparison. So I'm going to do Eco Styler gel, regular Eco Styler gel on one side, and on the other side I'm going to use this gel. So typically I use a cream, like a Twist and Define cream, a custard. So I layer on my products with a cream and then I put the gel on. But this time I just want to see. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see how it's going to turn out, and I'm just going to try and use that leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use this pomade instead of an oil since it is very light consistency, which I'll show you all, and then I'm going to do the gel on top of that. So I am very nervous but excited to see what this turns out like. And then also they have this Aethiopika Hydrate and Twist Butter. So I was considering using both of these products. I'm not sure. This is just a shea butter, basically like a mango oil and rice butter. I might try this. I might try this on one half. I don't know, y'all. I'm just kind of playing around because I've never used just straight gel, so I really want to make sure that my hair is moisturized, and this leave-in conditioner didn't feel super moisturizing. I'm very used to creamy leave-in conditioners, and this was very milky and thin, but my hair was very soft. So I don't know. Does that mean that my hair is hydrated? I don't know, you know, but let's get straight to it. So look, this is what the consistency is like. It's like a grease, if you ask me. It reminds me of like a back in the day type of grease. So I'm curious. This whole line is like no mineral oil, no petroleum oil, very organic and natural. So I really like that because that is something that I look for in my products. So I wanted to come back really quick. I went ahead and put the Amla and Castor oil all in each section, and one thing they focused on was saying like focus on your edges with this product. So I really want to make sure that I hit like my problem areas, and just want to make sure that I'm also like getting the benefits of this oil and putting it on my scalp and rubbing it into my ends. So it's nice that my hair is wet because I can definitely see how it is sort of adhering to my hair overall. So this side I'm going to do the new gel. This side I'm going to do the new gel, and this side I'm going to do the old Eco Styler gel. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to go in with the new Eco Styler. I'm super nervous because I literally never just put Eco Styler just directly on and expect it to do the whole job. So it's glittery. which I don't know. Oh my gosh, it smells like a man. Faye in the City did a tutorial and she warned us that this smelled like a man, and it does. I don't know what's up with that. All right, so I'm gonna start off with some water because my hair is so cold and my hair does a much better job of absorbing product when it's wet. So now I'm going in with this new Eco Styler gel, the Super Olive 10 times Max Hold. It's glittery, it smells like a man. It seems thick as the olive oil gel, so I'm gonna get a nice amount of this and start from the roots. Actually, I'm gonna start from the root and then I'm gonna work my way down to the ends. And then I'm gonna work my way up back to the middle. So I'm going to rake this product in. Oh, okay. It's starting to separate. Ooh, wow. It's very interesting. I've never had this happen. This is really cool. Already I can see, you know, my strands come together, clump together. And I haven't even really done like real raking. So like I said, I always say I like to just see, you know, my frizzies go away. I do like a firm hold so that it can last, but I cannot wait to see what this is about to look like. This already is having me excited. Very curious. So this is what my first section is looking like. As you can see, it's very moisturized. It's not completely frizz free, but sections, you see that elongation. Come on, we're in there now. Section on this side, and honestly I'm scared. I am so scared that I wasted my time, but we're gonna see what it looks like dry. My roots are very frizzy and my ends are defined, but my roots are very frizzy, so I am concerned. I am nervous. I will say I'm getting a really good shine, but what's shine if it's all frizzy, awkwardly frizzy? This is what this side is looking like. You can tell in the front where I shingled for sure. But I'm gonna turn around, show you guys what the back is looking like now that it is drying a little bit. So nervous, guys. So I'm gonna go with this side, do this side with the regular Eco Styler gel. So I'll be back with the final results once it's wet. I'll be back. Okay, so I am back, y'all. Do y'all see this? Do you see this? The shine, the definition, even like the parts that I was concerned about, It's just flowing naturally. I cannot even imagine. And even on this side, y'all, like, I absolutely love, I love this look. My hair is still wet, but I can't believe I've never tried to just do a straight wash and go with gel and a leave-in conditioner. These are very different results because there's a little bit of frizz, so it's like a natural frizz though. Like the way my curls are just, they're defined, but it's not super crisp. Like you see that there's going to be some softness. I absolutely love the product combination that I used, using this castor and Amla Nourishing pomade underneath my hair. I felt a difference. One thing to say about the regular Eco Styler olive oil gel, it was a lot smoother to put on, so it was easy for me to run my fingers through and like detangle and that sort of thing. I did shingle a little bit, but I didn't shingle all the way through. So I didn't shingle all the way through, same as this side. Yeah, the Eco Styler olive oil, very easy application. It felt like a lighter hold than the ×10, the super olive oil. This super olive oil really does have a stronger hold, and I feel like I have more shine, but that's a little hard to tell right now because my hair is still wet and I just finished this side, so we'll have to see once it dries a little bit more as far as the shine piece. And I'm amazed. I am genuinely amazed. I just want to show you all the back. It did take me a little bit longer, but that's mostly because I had to figure it out and because I'm filming, obviously. So yeah, I'm about to go sit under the dryer and then I will come back and give you all a final finished product. Hey guys, so this is the next day and I want to show you these results. Y'all, I cannot imagine that it has taken me so long to try another wash and go on my hair with just the gel. You guys, even the Eco Styler olive oil side, like I really want you guys to see. Even this side it's popping. I don't know no other way to describe it, but it's popping. I am amazed. I just want to tell you guys, so my hair is so soft. That Castor and Amla oil, that Castor and Amla pomade, I think this is what really added that moisture to my hair and locked it in, because my hair is so soft. I cannot even imagine, and it's still defined as you can see, and I will turn around for you so that you can see. So yeah, my hair is very soft to touch. I don't have a hard gel cast on this side nor on this side. So again, this was the side with the super olive oil gel, and this is the side with the Eco Styler, with the regular olive oil Eco Styler. But both of the results, I think that both sides look pretty good. You can definitely see some parts where I shingled, and that's because like I normally would get a lot of frizz right there. So I did shingle some parts, and then on this side. So I think the test will really be how long will this wash and go last, because day one is popping. Seriously, like, what do you mean? Because I have volume, I have definition, I have shine, I have moisture. Like, how much better can it get? So for all of you who don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Risa. I'll put that down below. Thank you all so much for watching today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. A lot of you guys are watching and aren't subscribing, so do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. All right? Peace.